review your credit report. So we recommend pulling your what's called source reports from annualcreditreport.com. Why that's important and why we emailed you requesting that you do that in advance of today, ideally, is because annualcreditreport.com is one location that will give you, ideally, all three of your main credit reports. And those will be your Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian credit reports. It is those what's called sourced directly from one of the main credit reporting agency reports that are necessary for disputing information. Other types of reports, such as a Credit Karma report, can be helpful in monitoring your credit, but it is not a reliable source for using when disputing credit reporting information and can actually result in a rejection of your dispute by the credit reporting agencies. So number one, big fan of annualcreditreport.com. Since COVID, you are allowed to pull your credit report, I believe it is weekly, for free. So there's really no downside in getting that information. Now, there are four main sections of a credit report. There's your personal information, just like it sounds: names, addresses, places of employment. Then there's their account trade lines. This is the section of the credit report where most errors will live. This is the section of the report, like you can see on the left side of the PowerPoint, that has the name of your account, the status of the account, in your case, Russ, whether it's settled or in collections. That should be accurate and does impact your score, as well as whether the account is 30, 60, 90 days late on any given month within usually the last 7 years. The public records section can show any bankruptcies, civil judgments, tax liens. And finally, the inquiry section shows the names of any companies that have reviewed your credit report generally within the last 2 years.